In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to fix your letters when the insides of like the letters O, E, P, A fill in when you weld them. Uh, a lot of people will say ungroup it and move your letters, but then your letter spacing can be whacked out and not, evenly spaced. So I went ahead and I typed this in Magnolia Sky font, and if I weld it, you'll see that the D and the G fill in. So I'm going to undo that, and then I'm going to select the word and I'm going to ungroup it. Then I'm going to select the letters that filled in, the D, hold shift, and select the G. You'll see them highlighted here. And then I'm going to go to Arrange, Send to Back. Then what I can do is select it all and weld, and they don't fill in that way. Okay, so just an easy fix for you. Thanks for watching.